There you go.
I'm not back now.
Back here. When are they here? Me and you, who first there here? For this house now, I tell the person. Go first bath.
See, your guy. I don't just get straight for you this morning. No. Come on for road, I won't go back.
You know, go first me bath for this house. That wahala what you want. You get on this morning.
Hey.
E be like say you don late for rag day today.
One day one babysitter.
Abeg comot for road make people go back abeg.
Okay, now you black albino. Yes. Go punish you. Mommy water. Come on for road, I won't go back.
You see as the verse for you. Say you dey insult an elderly person.
Abeg come on for road.
As far if you not me here, what you go see? You don't like am. If you not me here, what you go see? You don't like am.
See, Oga, I don't respect you now. Come on for road, though. I don't go beg you again. No, come on for them.
You see how them the verse because you dey insult an elderly man. If you not me, you don't like what you go see. If you not me, I don't like what you go see.
Titus, say you come.
Titus,
Ayo.
okay.
And then OMG, they let me.
If you not me, I don't like it.
Come on, help yourself. So you don't say when you don't plan to rape my wife for this compound. Finally, you want to rape my wife, not the bathroom. Where I am, when I'm still alive.
Hey! Titus, so now you and your wife, they plan to kill me for this house, abi?
We kill you.
Hey!
You know the Benin man again.
Hey!
You know the Benin man.
Hey!
Come enter the room, make I see.
Okay, Titus, don't try me.
Me, I not try you.
Don't try me for this house because the way you go take get a knife, you don't like am.
What's in your pocket?
No.
What do you want? Give me?
No.
Don't try me there.
I go try you. No, go do anything. Come here. Your mates, they brag with money. Now you think you want to threaten me?
Don't try me.
Come on. You come on. Hey! Anaconda.
Abwala.
Hey!
You don't get me for this house. Auntie Beshe. Now my clothes. You fold like this.
No, your clothes. I'll fold like that. Your clothes don't dry. I won't spread my own clothes now.
You want spread your own clothes. Now you make you fold my clothes like this. You know, feel. Call me, make I come. Use my hand, collect my clothes.
Not be the same thing. Now, if you don't come out, you go pack and go now. See, I don't get you for trouble. I not go straight.
How you get short? Oh my clothes, don't try because he never take away my baby. Spray that for you.
Your baby, let her go catch. I respect you. I'm not punish you.
Not touch my clothes, I don't know. Not touch my clothes.
I respect. I'm
Yeah, and your husband. They tie me to the table.
What is the matter?
No.
If you don't try, I come out your clothes and spread clothes. Wahala.
Why you put the blood like this? Why you put the blood like this? Why you not come make come? Use my hand. Come on,
Why did he call you? Eh? Why is it that you're all the time you've been running around my wife as if saying that you marry and give me? Eh? What did she do to you? Can you come back again?
I spray clothes. Your eyes. Take my clothes. Food. I don't tell her. Make you know. Touch my clothes again. If not, I'm not gonna like. What go happen for this?
Now you not go like what go happen to you in this compound.
Tell him.
Now you will not go like what we go do to you because you don't find trouble. We don't dey keep them for you. But this time around, I cannot keep it again for you. You carry blanket, make we run for you. Student, everybody don't go school. Anything where you want this afternoon.
That is I don't ready for this Abi.
We don't ready.
For
do
you.
your worst.
What to say?
Okay, do your worst.
Hey!
Do your worst.
Hey!
Do your worst. Get me
Baby! My baby!
Before you enter this compound, ask questions of people where they live here. We are not the same way. Let me see the students where go come here. Now I like to
Ofola genanya, rakete aburu na rocket.